Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. A reduced price. Features also include rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2019 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote trunk release, steel wheels, wheel covers, FWD, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, backup camera, trip computer, child safety locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.